In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. All you need to do is open Photos app, tapping on Agree and Continue, and selecting Photos or Albums at the bottom. Either way, after accessing all of your pictures that you wish to delete, hold one of them and tap on Select All at the top right corner. To keep some, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!